Read QR code on laptop. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, I'll show you a great way to read a QR code on your computer or laptop. First, I invite you to subscribe. I make tutorials to make things easier for you. The channel has related videos. If you're curious or want to learn more, check out the playlist in the card. For security, I won't use other sites or enable my webcam to read this QR code. What will I do? I'll take a photo of the QR code and send it to my laptop. So, snap a photo of the QR code and email it to yourself. Then, use Google's own website to read the QR code. So I'm already on the home page and I'll click here in the search bar. There's an icon to search for an image. I can search for any image in this field, including QR codes. I'll upload a QR code file and choose the image I want to scan. Once uploaded, it instantly scans the QR code and displays all its information. I didn't use any third-party site. I used Google's own website to read a QR code. Quick and easy, folks. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks everyone.